small group going forward. It will be small group with the primary focus on small group, small business, with 90% focus, 95% focused on small group. So you'll see the topic small group, small business, with 90% focus, 95% focus on small group. Also, that will be a 4-hour certification class starting in the month of January. There will also be another training, small business. Keep in mind, the first one, small group, small business. The second training will be small business, small group, with 95% focus on small business plans, role play, things of that nature. So both of these, we've changed things. We listened to the field, and we divided these trainings up. One, small group, small business will be 4 hours in length. The small business training will be 3 hours in length. So the trainers will be up to speed in your marketplaces teaching these classes. Some of these classes may be taught on the same day. Some of them may be taught on different days, but stand by for that one. We're already getting the dates posted in different marketplaces, so you will be able to see that coming up soon. We'll talk about a little bit more